we're just going to roll with it today. Animals, distractions, interruptions. It's just going to have to happen. Good morning and welcome to day 3 of the 21-day cleaning challenge. Yesterday was get dressed head to toe. So here I am, fully dressed, and I put on just a little bit more makeup than I normally do. Day 1 was, remember, shine our sink. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you here. Still have my sink shining. So today, day 3 is make your bed. So this is another one that I was already doing every day. And I'll tell you why I think this is also important to do every day. I know a lot of people have it in, have the opinion that, hey, no one goes in my bedroom. What does it matter? And it's not about other people. Take that away. Take that mindset away that, it's just about what people see. Because it's not. For me, that kind of sets the tone for the rest of the day. So kind of like how we got dressed head to toe to spark motivation, to maybe get some energy, confidence, whatever it is to help us get started. That's another thing that kind of sets the tone for the rest of the day. So if you make your bed, your room's going to look a lot more cleaner, more put together. And it can start that cycle of, okay, now my bed's made. What else can I do? So that is one thing that I like to do pretty shortly after I wake up. Now, my typical routine is I'm the first one up out of the whole family. So I don't usually make my bed until the kids are off to the bus. My husband's gone to work, and now it's time for me to get ready for the day. So usually I'll get dressed first, or actually sometimes I don't even get dressed. I make my bed first, and then I get dressed and do the rest of my day. So yeah, let's go ahead and make our bed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.